Actually, I need both
Be
Felipe
careful.
and Turner, and you two need to work together.
Okay.
How about me, Manny? Don't you need me? Wow!
Oh, he's so pretty. He's so
Nope, I
pretty.
think we're all done, Pat.
So Maynard's new name is Sunshine, huh?
Don't be afraid, Rusty. She's just a mechanical dog.
He doesn't want to top upside down like Rio, huh? Okay, what do you think the weather's going to do today, Rylee?
Rain?
Do you think it's going to rain?
Yep.
So the weather is calling for rain.
You break it, we
What do you think, Sunshine? Do you think it's going to rain?
Hello, Manny. I'm
Sunshine.
Sanchez. I just moved in down the street.
Welcome to Sheetrock Hills.
I got rain.
Well, the light in my granddaughter's closet is broken, and she's afraid to go in.
Sunshine.
She thinks there's a monster in there, and if you put a new light in, that might help.